If you've lost your sending privileges on Gmail, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you understand the process clearly and effectively. Step 1. Check for account issues. Log into your Gmail account and check for any notifications or alerts that may indicate why your sending privileges have been revoked. Look for messages regarding account security or policy violations. Step 2. Review Gmail policy. Familiarize yourself with Gmail sending limits and policies. Ensure that your account hasn't violated any rules, such as sending too many emails in a short period or sending spam. Step 3. Secure your account. If you suspect your account may have been compromised, change your password immediately. Enable two-factor authentication for added security to prevent unauthorized access. Step 4. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Google. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Gmail. Remember to maintain good email practices to avoid future issues.